Hello everyone, my name is John and I'm the science educator for Children's Museum Houston. And today we're going to do a quick experiment where we're going to test out different techniques to clean some pennies. Let's go over the materials and we'll get started. For this activity, you'll obviously need some pennies that you're going to clean. So try and find some that are really dark and look really old because we're going to try and shine them up. And we're going to try to do that with 5 different things. We're going to try with some water, some soda, some vinegar, some ketchup, and then a vinegar salt mixture that we're going to see which is the best at cleaning pennies. Now I've only added just a little bit into each cup, just enough you got to make sure you can completely cover the penny. And then we have to wait about 10 to 15 minutes. So let's go ahead and drop our coins in and then we'll set our timers. And for the ketchup, should have said, might need to push that in just a little bit. So to have some little tongs will be great for pulling all of these out in about 10 to 15 minutes. So I'll see you then. Copper pennies react with the oxygen in the air and create something called copper oxide. Copper oxide is the blackish, dull, dark color that coats old coins. So when we put these coins in an acidic liquid like soda, that acidic liquid will hopefully dissolve the copper oxide and brighten our pennies. The other liquids like vinegar, which is an acid, ketchup, which is made of tomatoes, which is very acidic, and then vinegar and salt, which is extra acidic because the vinegar and salt solution creates something called hydrochloric acid, which is more acidic than vinegar by itself. So now you can see as you pull your pennies out and wipe them down, which of these liquids created the shiniest pennies. Thank you for tuning in today to learn the best techniques to clean your pennies at home. Now, if you guys are following us on YouTube, please hit that subscribe button to get our daily content that's coming out. And again, my name is John, coming to you from Children's Museum Houston, and we'll see you next time.